Hello, welcome to Grantskills International Events Planning Institute. I'm Elijah Tony Fidelis. I'll be your instructor on event planning. The benefits of event planning can never be overemphasized. You've been to event place or wedding where the master of ceremony delivers his job poorly. He crafts lame jokes, everything is not in order, the cakes are not properly designed, everyone doesn't know where he or she is supposed to come up, where the meals are not saved properly, where the drinks are not saved accordingly. This is just the absence of no event planning or proper event planning. So the event planner puts up the event to the desire of the host. The event planner has a task to make sure the dreams of the host comes into reality. The event planner takes the event from the stage of an idea to the point of reality with class. So the event planner on your part, it's a very lucrative job to venture into. Proficient event planners are rare and scarce in the market. So when you come up on board via Grantskills International, you'll be nurtured in details in every nitty-gritty that pertains to event planning proficiently, and you come out clean as a professional event planner where you can put up your head high and walk into any audience as a professional event planner. So I urge you to sign up today for Event Planning Institute in Grantskills International. See you in class and celebrate.